Starshipit's shipping analytics feature lets you analyze multiple shipping metrics to improve your delivery experience and make data-driven decisions. You can view real-life shipping performance data from your business to learn if your carriers are meeting key shipping delivery KPIs. There are two analytics dashboards available: Shipping Summary and Shipping Performance. Note that the Shipping Summary dashboard is included with all Starshipit plans, while the Shipping Performance dashboard is a paid add-on. You can email our support team to learn how to add it to your account. That's linked in the video description. We'll start with the Shipping Summary dashboard. This shows you a summary of your order volume split by platform and carrier. You can filter the views on this page by choosing a time period range from the drop-down at the top of the page. There are 5 different views available: Orders, the total number of orders created; Order status, total number of orders unshipped, printed and shipped; Order status by platform, total number of orders unshipped, printed and shipped by platform displayed in a bar graph format; Order status by carrier, total number of orders unshipped, printed and shipped by carrier displayed in a bar graph format too; Unshipped versus shipped by day, the total number of orders unshipped versus shipped by day. Next, we'll look at the paid analytics add-on, Shipping Performance. This dashboard is a bit more complex and lets you analyze the performance of your different carrier services to see if they're meeting their key KPIs. For example, whether orders are being delivered early, on time, or late. The filter options at the top of the page enable you to segment the data into different dimensions. This lets you analyze the specific reasons behind why the KPIs on this dashboard are being met or missed. The selections you choose in these filters will be reflected in all the visuals on the dashboard. Here are the filters you can apply and what they mean. Domestic/international. View either domestic or international shipments in the dashboard. Date range. Filter all shipments that were created between the start and end date that was selected in the calendar. You can also select a preset time period, for example the last 30 days. Filter bar. Carrier, filter to view multiple or single carrier's performance. Shipping method. Filter to view multiple or single services such as overnight, expedited, express, etc. If you don't see any data points, the filter bar will not return any filter options. The KPI gauges give you insight into popular shipping metrics. The percentage in each gauge is an indication of whether orders are being delivered early, on time, or late according to carrier data. The scorecards give you the volume of shipments included in the selected filter, as well as how the total volume is split across key shipping metrics. The delivered status scorecard provides you with a split of the total shipments and how many were delivered as per the various shipping timeframes: early, delivered before the estimated delivery date; on time, delivered the same day as the estimated delivery date; late, delivered after the estimated delivery date. The average handling time scorecard gives you a split of the total packages that have been delivered in the selected filters. It also shows you the average time they were processed in the warehouse, the average time they were in transit, and the total fulfillment time, a total of the warehouse and transit time. The unit will be displayed in hours if the average time is less than 24 hours, or days if the average time is over 24 hours. The delivered status breakdown chart allows you to plot your shipping metrics across a configured time span. For example, to work out whether a certain date is responsible for a delay in shipping, or if you see spikes in performance on certain days or weeks. The x-axis represents the shipment dates in the series, and the date range will be determined by the start and end date, selected in the calendar selector and the filters at the top of the page. The y-axis represents the volume of shipments that fall into the date series in the x-axis. The index represents the split of the number of shipments in the series that were delivered on time, early, and late. This also gives you a clear indication if volume is contributing to missing KPIs. The average handling time breakdown chart gives you an indication of how the average warehouse time and transit time are tracking over a configured time range. This can help you work out whether productivity is trending in the right direction, or if there are spikes in average handling time over specific dates. The x-axis represents the shipment dates in the series, and the date range will be determined by the start and end date in the calendar selector in the filters. The y-axis represents the average handling time in either days or hours depending on the unit selected. The index line represents the average transit time and warehouse time, and how they are tracking on the specific time series selected. The Carrier Performance Analysis heat map lets you compare all the metrics available in shipping performance for each carrier used in the selected filter. This is especially useful when you use multiple carriers on the same route to benchmark their performance against each other. The darkness of the cells gives you a clear idea of how the carriers are performing. You'll notice we've just got one carrier in this chart. The columns in the table show the following metrics: total shipments, average time in transit, early, average time early, on time, late, and average time late. So that's it for shipping analytics. Check out our other YouTube videos and the links in the video description.